Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Ollama locally on your system. So Ollama is extensively used for running open source AI models locally on your system. So let's see how to install Ollama. So you need to first go to favorite browser and to type over here Ollama download. So simply go to the official site of ollama.com. This link I am going to provide right in our video description. Depending upon what operating system you are using, macOS, Linux or Windows, you need to proceed with that. And after that, you need to click on this download it for Windows, and it has rightly started downloading. So this Ollama setup is about 1.2 gigs. So let's wait for a minute. And there you go. So our Ollama setup is rightly downloaded. Just simply click on that installer. You can minimize your browser. Here is our Ollama installation wizard. Just simply click on install. That's going to immediately start installing Ollama. So it's going to take some time. Let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. And our Ollama is rightly installed. And it has rightly launched as well. So this is the interface of our Ollama. You can maximize this. You can click on the sidebar and it's going to show you this new chat and settings window. So as you click on settings, you can see this is where all the models that we are going to download will be present locally on your system, and that is what we are going to use for running all these models locally on your system. You can also set the context length over here. You can see this timeline, you can toggle and you can set your context length. So let's go back, and here you can see all these different models that are there. So you can see for each of these models there is this download icon. So as you click on that, it's going to start downloading all these models locally on your system, and these are all cloud models. So we'll proceed with some of the cloud models. So you're going to select that. That's an open source cloud model, and to run any cloud model we'll need an Ollama account. So in this particular video we are going to use a cloud model. On my next video I'm going to show you how to download all these different models like Qwen 3 or Gamma 3 or DeepSeek or this GPT-OS's 20 billion model or 120 billion model, all that. Just for demonstration, I am going to use cloud model on this particular video. I need to sign in. So I'll sign up with Google, and we are signed in. Click on connect. So device connected successfully. So now you can run any command and you can ask the same to this GPT-OS's 120 billion cloud model. So maybe you can ask what is Python programming. And it's going to tell you what is Python and all that. So the best part is this is the open source model. Although we are using it from the cloud, but it's an open source model, and you can see it has given a proper response very quickly, isn't it? So this is the first video. On my next video I'm going to show you how to download any of these models locally on your system and then how to use that. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script, and also watch my other videos where I have also showed you how to install Cloud Code locally on your system and how to use it. I have posted several AI videos as well, so you can watch all these different videos. So like I have showed you how to use this Qwen 3 already 6 months ago. So all these videos keep on updating, so follow all these videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.